Ang critical thinking ay hindi talent. Ito ay dinidevelop into a skill and a discipline. So in short, kung kulang ang iyong critical thinking skills, pwede mo siyang i-improve. And bakit importante na ma-develop mo to at ma-strengthen mo? Kasi maraming klase ng trabaho na mataas ang bayad ang required ang critical thinking skill, lalo na kung leadership at management. At importante din ito sa ating mga life decisions, yung mga life-changing decision. Dapat ginagamitan natin ang critical thinking yan. Lalo na sa panahon na ito na napakaraming information. Some of them are real information, some of them are fake information, and we make decisions based on our understanding of those information. So, paano mo ngayon i-develop ang iyong critical thinking skill? Matuto kang magtanong ng mga powerful questions. Kapag ka may information na dumarating sa iyo at bago mo ito paniwalaan, tanungin mo, ano bang source nitong information na ito? Is it a fact? Is it an assumption? Is it fake? Is it real? Importante yung mga ganun tanong, no? Anong evidence na totoo ito? 'Di ba? Ano yung ibang pananaw dito sa issue na ito? Is there another way of looking at it? Is there another solution available? Importante yung powerful questions. Yung pangalawa ay you must have the discipline and the humility to doubt your own thinking. Importante ang self-reflection sa critical thinking. Yung pagtatanong, no? Ano bang proseso ko ng pag-iisip? Ano bang mga biases at assumptions ang meron ako? So that I can manage those and make decisions based on logic and facts, no? So we can improve our reasoning and make more sound judgment, di ba? So para maging capable tayo dito, dapat open tayo sa feedback ng iba. Hindi tayo dapat close-minded at importante na nire-recognize natin kung meron tayong mga cognitive biases. Pangatlo ay evaluating evidence and arguments. Ayan, ang dami-daming pagtatalo na nangyayari sa paligid natin. So, scrutinizing the quality and relevance of evidence presented to us and credibility of data, considering the logic and coherence of arguments, dapat kino-question natin yan. And then finally, you have to be curious. You have to cultivate your curiosity. A curious mindset drives critical thinking. So, encourage yourself, no? To explore new ideas. Ano ba yung mga iba-ibang ginagawa ng ibang tao? Entertain diverse perspectives. Itong openness na ito to learning and growth is fundamental, no? To developing your strong critical thinking skill. So, pag tinrato mong discipline ang critical thinking at mag-adapt ka ng approach, no, a structured approach to enhancing this very vital skill, mapapakinabangan mo ng gusto to, kagaya ng sabi ko. At ang importante ay hindi ka biktima ng maling akala, maling informasyon, and make decisions that are logical, reasonable, and well considered. I hope this helped.